In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to remove a card from GoDaddy with ease and safety. Let's dive right into it. Start the process by signing into your GoDaddy account. Whether you do this on the desktop app or on the GoDaddy mobile app, the steps remain relatively similar. Simply fill in your user credentials in the appropriate place and click on the Sign In button to enter your account. Once you're inside your GoDaddy account, your next destination is the Payment Methods page. If you're wondering how do you get to the Payment Methods page, it is quite straightforward. You can either use the Account Settings buttons or simply input the URL provided in the search results directly into your web browser. To use the account settings, look for a button or drop-down menu labeled Account Settings. Once you click it, another drop-down should appear, listing different options. Look for the option that says Payment Methods. Clicking on this will take you straight to the Payment Methods page. On the Payment Methods page, you will be presented with a list of all your added payment options. Scan through this list and locate the credit card you wish to extricate from your account. When you have located the card, notice a three-dot menu adjacent to the card. This is also referred to as the More menu. Move your mouse over to this icon and click on it to open a drop-down menu. Inside the drop-down menu, you'll come across different card management options such as Update Card Information, View Details, and others. What you're looking for, however, is the option that says Delete. It's usually positioned at the bottom of the other options. Click on Delete to start the process of removing the card from your account. Keep in mind that if you have active products that are currently using the card you want to delete, you might encounter a small roadblock. The system may prompt you to select a new payment method for those products before allowing you to proceed with the card removal. Simply comply with the system prompts to select another payment method for these active products. Now that you're done with that, you're almost there. You just need to confirm your decision to delete the card. You might see a pop-up warning you of the consequences of your action. This is to ensure you're fully aware of the repercussions of the removal. If, after reading through the warning, you're still sure of your decision to remove the card, click on the Confirm or Yes button to finalize the process. And that's it. You've just removed your card from GoDaddy. Now you can manage your other cards, add a new one, or continue with whatever you were doing on the platform. It's that easy, seamless, and incredibly straightforward.